Hey there drone fans, Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's video, I wanted to make sure you knew about the discounts that DJI is currently offering on all the products I have in front of me in honor of Father's Day. Now, being a proud father myself, I thought I'd pass these savings along to you because I get so many questions on the channel about when's the best time to buy DJI gear. Well, that time is here because these are some of the lowest prices I've seen on these products, and they're all current products. These aren't like last generation products. These are current products that are flying today. So if you've been on the fence about buying anything you see in front of me, now's the time to get off the fence because we've got a long summer ahead of us. We've got some beautiful weather coming. And if you thought about flying a drone, or maybe you need a new action camera, or you've got a great phone, you need a stabilized gimbal for it, these are the products that'll fit that bill. Now, before you start complaining about me trying to sell DJI products, that's not what this clip's all about. I just can't stand getting yelled at later because I didn't talk about it on the channel and somebody missed the sale and they go, Rick, why didn't you talk about the sale on your channel? Well, I'm talking about it now. So what's on sale with DJI? The Mavic 3. It's their latest professional drone on the market. I've called this the perfect drone flying today. Now, it's on the top end of the DJI spectrum, but it does everything you need it to do. It's got crash avoidance 360. It'll fly far, it'll fly long, it'll capture amazing footage. It's got dual lenses in there where you can get some amazing 4K footage. You can zoom 28 times. So it's really the drone to own if you're doing professional work. If you want to fly FPV, the DJI FPV drone's on sale, the combo actually, where you get the drone, the controller, and the goggles. So essentially, you can charge up the batteries, you can take it out of the box, register the drone, and start flying FPV the day you buy it. So great way to get into FPV. If you need an action camera, this is the new Action 2 from DJI. I've reviewed all these products on the channel. I love this camera because it's modular. I can snap different modules in the bottom. One's a screen, one's an extra battery. It's just incredibly easy to use and it captures some amazing footage. For me, one of the best action cameras on the market. And also the OM5 gimbal's on sale. So if you've got a phone that's got a great camera in it, and most modern phones have a really good camera in it, you can pop it on here. It'll stabilize that footage. So you can go out in the field for not a lot of money and have incredibly buttery smooth footage when you're walking through the woods or you're on vacation or you're taking pictures of a kid's graduation. Finally, the brand new Mini 3. Now, this isn't on sale, but that price is pretty good on the Mini 3. That's also included in the briefing from DJI. This is their latest sub 250 gram drone. I'm sure everybody out there that's watching this clip knows about this product. I love this drone. I love this drone. I can't say it enough. I love this drone. It does everything I need it to do. It's small enough to fit in my pocket. It'll fly for a long time. It'll take amazing footage. It's just a beautiful drone. So all these products are steeply discounted. Now, here are the discounts that DJI is offering on these products. So with the Mavic 3, it's normally $21.99. It's currently $2,049, which is $150 off. The Action 2 is normally $399. They've discounted that to $279, which means you save $120 on that. The OM5 is normally $159. It's discounted to $129, so you save $30 on that one. If you want the FPV combo, that's where the biggest savings is. It's normally $12.99. It's discounted to $9.99 for the combo, which means you save $300 on it. And the DJI Mini 3 Pro is discounted to $909. Now that's the standard price they released it at, but I had to include that because I love this drone so much that if you're buying a drone and it's the first one you're gonna buy, it's a lot of money. So maybe the Mini 2 will work for you, but if you're looking for the top of the line 249 gram drone, this is the beast to own. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So if you're interested in any of these, I have links below that'll take you to DJI where you can purchase them. I've got links to Amazon as well. If you use those links, we get a little commission. So if you want to support the channel, hit those links, buy the product, and just get outside and have a lot of fun because nothing's better in life than being out in that sunshine and the fresh air with your family and your friends, enjoying flying a drone or capturing some amazing footage or using your camera in your phone better than you've ever before with the stabilized gimbal. These are the products to own. So thanks again for watching. And again, we appreciate all of the viewership on the channel and all the support you've shown us. And again, I just wanted to make sure you knew about these discounts. Don't flame me for being a salesman because I'm not trying to sell the products. I just wanted to let you know they're on sale. So anyway, thanks again for watching. And until next time, happy flying.